Summer, plus 35 degrees, a coastal hotel at the Mediterranean Sea. 1,000 people would like to have a chocolate tan, to relax and to get positive impressions. Summer vacation assumes open clothing, as you know. And the most important task here is to look good, to be attractive, and to collect admiring glances on the beach. And it's very important to keep yourself fit and slim. Otherwise, there's a high risk to distract people around you and to get your vacation spoiled. And let's see what usually happened a couple of months before. When spring is on, people start dreaming about blue sky, blue sea, and warm coastal nights. Very soon they realize that they need to get off a few kilograms or to get a perfectly shaped body. What is the common way to do it? Of course, exactly. They try to get on diets, to start morning jogging, or to work out in the gym. The most fanatic people start these three activities at the same time. And their slogan here, right now, and all together. But how long can they handle it? Can you tell me? I think maximum 5 days. Then they make up 1,000 reasons to give up it, and not to get up early and not to do sports. Probably yesterday they go sleep too late, and this morning they need a little more time to sleep. Nevertheless, the noble idea to get a perfect body is buried alive. But should we refuse from the idea being a star during the summer? Why is it so hard to do it? And what is most important? What is the way to keep yourself slim, fit, and healthy? Let's try to figure it out. First of all, when you give up doing something important, it doesn't mean that you are lazy. It doesn't mean that you do not possess some necessary abilities. It doesn't mean that you're trying to do meaningless things. It happens because our brain resists. And you want to look good, to look perfect, but your brain doesn't want. Our brain doesn't want to spend energy for that. Our brain wants to keep us in the present situation. So, is our brain so powerful that there's no way to deal with it? No, there's a remedy, and it's called habits. According to researchers, up to 50% of our behavior and our condition are conducted by our habits. What does it mean? It means that our behavior is habit mostly. Our health is a habit mostly too. Our mood is a habit mostly too. Even our condition and our body parameters are habits as well, even if you think that they depend on your constitution or heredity. How is habit formed? We know that during repetitions of the same thing, habit can be formed. According to the theory of brain plasticity, habit is nothing more than a group of neural cells in our brain, a neural network actually. And it takes time for this neural network to be created. It's extremely hard to develop a new habit, as you know. Especially if you're trying to do it with one big step. You know what I'm talking about. You get up in the morning at 5 o'clock and run 10 kilometers. And I think it's very doubtful that next morning we keep doing the same things. What smart people suggest? First of all, do not try to swallow the whole elephant at once. Try to divide, to scatter it into several pieces. And start with the smallest one. Get up 10 minutes earlier and go for a walk. Not run, just walk. 10 minutes walk is something that your brain allows you to do easily. Keep doing it within 2 weeks. As a result, you will get perfect beginning of the day, fresh air walk, and a good mood for the rest of the day. When morning walking is a piece of cake for you, try to add something else. Let's say try to add jogging or start to eat less. The main rule is here that you develop one habit at each moment. As a result, finally, you will get all the necessary habits to keep yourself fit, slim, and healthy. And what I most admire in habits that they as hard to be given up as to be obtained. When you obtain habits, your brain will find how to justify it and how to save it and to protect it. And how do you think? Are we conscious when we open the refrigerator at midnight and start to look for something to eat? I don't think so. I think it's just about habits. To conclude with, I would like to tell you about one quite famous proverb. You can keep it in mind if you want to motivate yourself for great results. Seed in action, gather habits. See the habits, gather character. See the character, gather destiny. And let's concentrate on the first two things. Let's take small actions to develop a habit, to make a habit out of them. And when you know this tip, I expect you to choose a habit you want to develop right now. And start from today evening. And I wish you good luck.